Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Ayyecoeeye Welder, internally heated industrial laser welding tools. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Intelligent control, quick start, even novices can easily operate, making welding simple and efficient. Internal ceramic tech enables quick heat up while protecting sensitive circuits. 4 rolls of welding wire. Ayyecoeeye Welder comes with 4 rolls of welding wire, and the consumable capacity supports continuous operation. Ergonomic design, comfortable handle design, ergonomic, easy and stable use with one hand, making welding more labor-saving, even beginners can quickly get started. Welding, cutting, and rust removal 3-in-1, welding, cutting and rust removal are integrated, one machine for multiple uses. Suitable for a variety of metal materials and different industrial scenarios, meeting a variety of usage needs. Visual window, side split design, real-time monitoring of equipment use status, ensuring stable and safe welding process, and improving work efficiency. Applicable to a variety of scenarios, the body is light and sturdy, suitable for manual DIY, industrial welding, shipbuilding, artistic welding and other fields. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.